What are you doing? I think she has found her voice. Crazy dog. Crazy dog. So much to check out down there, isn't there? She's eating leaves.
Basically anything you need when it comes to party essentials. Gift bags, catering, shaman-blessed crystals, artisanal Reiki gloves.
For today, I was just hoping to hear about the store and make a connection with you.
Okay. Yeah, I love making connections. Oh. That's not...
Oh, I didn't know that you had a little guy.
Yeah, his dad is just out right now, but he should be back anytime.
Oh, yeah, they say that, and next thing you know, it's been an hour. Am I right?
Yes. Yeah, they say it's an emergency, but is it really, Tina?
The harness fits her now. Just that, what, 3 weeks, 2 weeks since Del Rio, when it was too big. Now it fits her. And she's walking me. She got herself stuck. Oh, now she's even more stuck. You did it to yourself. You want some help? Okay, I'll come help you. Oh, do it again. I'm glad I'm here for this one. She took a shower with me. She wasn't real happy. She cried the whole time. She's a nut. So anyway, I'm in my spot for the night. Oh, my bus is such a mess. So, here is an update. I'm worn out. So, I had reserved my spot for Lollapalooza in Cedar Hill Park, south of Dallas. I am not going to go now because I'm afraid to drive the bus that far with this ball joint knuckle thing going on. The guy that's been working on the bus with me, he just seems that he doesn't want to do it, but he doesn't want to say he doesn't want to do it. I've already started looking for somebody else to do the work. I haven't bought the part yet because I'm waiting to see who's going to do the work. Because if I have to take it to a mechanic shop, they a lot of times won't. They want to buy their own part. Or, you know. Anyway, so I'm waiting to see who's going to do it before I buy the part. And I just don't feel like I should drive that far. Do you hear her? She's a nut. She's a nut. Yes, she is. She's a nut. So anyway, I'm not going to Lollapalooza. I canceled my reservation. And, she's all wet. She's crazy. So, yeah, and then I thought, well, okay, I'll just go to my mom's house, or my parents, see my mom. I say my parents all the time, but my dad passed last April, so it's just my mom, actually, and my brother. I don't know, I guess it doesn't matter if I say I'm going to my parents. And, so I thought I'd go there. That's 250 miles each way. And, now I don't even think I'm going to do that. I think maybe I'll just take the 4 days off and go somewhere close. I'll either go up, well, I'll probably, what I should do is go up the mountain and work on my tent storage. That's what I need to do. Yeah. So that's probably what I'll end up doing. I'll drive to the mountain and just stay there and work on my tent storage. I've got to get that thing emptied. We're coming too close to a year now. And yeah, I got to get it emptied. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. My 4 days off. I'm worn out, so I'm going to take the 4 days. Whether I go anywhere or not. I don't care if I sit on the side of the road. I'm taking the 4 days. So, anyway. Still looking for a mechanic that will help me with the knuckle. The guy that his son goes to the junkyards, I haven't seen him again in the store, so I haven't been able to ask him if he was able to find the part. I did text him a few days ago. Same time, I need to know. So, I hate to bug people that are helping me, even if I'm paying them to help me. I hate to bug them. And so then I tend to not do that. So yeah. So that's where I'm at right now. About to take tomorrow's Monday. So I've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. And so if you're in the Marfa area, holler. We'll hook up. By that I just mean we'll meet and have a drink, have lunch, have dinner, something like that. Anyway, Coconut and I we just took a shower, so we're gonna chill out for the rest of tonight. I gotta be back at work at 6 a.m. and I believe it's around 6 p.m. right now. I believe 6 or 7, somewhere around there. And that's what it is. See that? She did that. Coconut did that. Coconut did that. And she got a hold of my ear the other day, yesterday. She didn't break skin or nothing, but man, that hurt. I was yelling at her and tapping her on the head. I was like, stop it. Her nails are sharp, her teeth are sharp. I know it's just puppy stuff, but dang. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Ciao, babies. Ciao, baby. Ciao, baby.